Hello facilitators, Dawn Lang with your tip of the day. Are you utilizing an action plan to improve learning transfer? This is an excellent tool that you can include in your participant materials. It's like a running to-do list that will help learners move their new knowledge and skills into their long-term memory and help ensure they apply it when they get back to work. I like to take time throughout each training session to allow learners to reflect and process each objective by having them record their action items, aha moments, or key takeaways before moving on to the next objective. The end of each training session is another great time to get out those action plans. I typically have the learners share these takeaways during a creative review activity and then record them in their action plan so they can reference them when they get back to work. Encourage your participants to share their action plans with whomever sponsored them to attend the training. Action plans are cheap, easy to create and implement, and don't take much time. But the benefits are enormous. Action plans will help your learners implement their learning post-training, and that's what training is all about. That's my tip of the day.